In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through on Microsoft Teams. Striking through text can be quite handy, especially when you want to mark something as completed or simply create a document that is visually easier to edit and review. Let's dive right into it. Imagine you're in Microsoft Teams, and you need to send a quick message off to your team or structure your notes during a meeting. You might want to use the strike-through feature to quickly edit your notes or update your teammates. To do this, open your Microsoft Teams application and prepare to write your message in a chat or a channel. After clicking in the message box, you need to decide which part of your text you want to strike through. Now, typing out your message is the easy part. For example, let's say you want to strike through the word reviewed in your message. Begin by typing out whatever content you need, including the word you want to strike through. As you're typing your message, there's a simple way to apply strike-through formatting directly. For text that is already typed, highlight the desired text. What you need to do next is utilize a straightforward keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, if you're using a Windows PC, press Ctrl plus Shift plus the letter X simultaneously. If you're working with a Mac, this can be achieved by pressing Command plus Shift plus X. Upon executing the shortcut, immediately notice the selected text now has a line running through it. It's a seamless action, yet sometimes it's nice to confirm that your strike-through has been correctly applied. Look over your message on the screen, and check for the line moving through the chosen text. Do some quick double checks, especially if you're in a busy meeting situation. If the strike-through doesn't appear at first, swiftly undo the action with a Ctrl-Z or Command-Z combination and attempt the shortcut once more. To sum up, using the keyboard shortcut can save you a lot of time, leaving the option open to format your messages quickly. Once the strike-through is applied to the relevant text, continue typing out the rest of your message as normal. These keyboard shortcuts are universal and can be utilized in other Office apps, bolstering your productivity across the board. The final glance at your notes or message is important. Ensure every change you have made accurately reflects the information you wish to convey. Now, proceed with sending off or saving your brilliantly edited message. Remember, mastering these small but powerful tools can significantly elevate your teamwork and personal efficiency. Moreover, exploring different shortcuts might help you discover more ways to maintain your workflow speedily. And there you have it. You're now adept with inserting strike-through text in Microsoft Teams. If this video has enlightened your understanding, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more informative tutorials.